Wake up, deep. I hope you're all keeping well, and welcome to Fishing Things. Now, today I'm going to go fishing for bass again. I caught one bass on Sanford beach 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I've got the bass fever. So today I'm going to go at the back of Peterhead power station. There's heat water runs out. It's just not far from Sanford beach, and they've been fishing here a long time for a few years, catching bass. But the day I'm going to go. So we'll see if we'll get on him. It's an awful bonny day, so it's a shame to waste it. So we'll give it a go and see if it like. Watch this space. Now you have to walk being this path to the bitty we're going to be fishing at. But it's a bonny view. You'll see the scary rock out there. Fine calm day for fishing. Now it's a Peterhead power station, and which is actually at bottom. But it's just being here in Runninyook, we'll be fishing for the power station puts out its water, and it's heat water it comes out, and it seems to be attracting a bass, because there's been folk fishing here for bass for years now. So we're want to get a go today. Now I'm hoping that when I get round this nuke, there's not going to be heaps of folk fishing here already. Yeah, I can't see any of these now, but then again I'm too high up. I see there's somebody there. Yeah, I'm just wondering if that's Mark. Oh, you beat my tilt! It's Mark good to be a sport. Now as you can see, it's a Peterhead power station, and this is for to put their water out, their water outlet, and it's heat water. And Mark's got the best spot. Well, I hope he catches something. Now, This is Mark here, and he told me he was going to be waiting for a parcel for the post this morning. So I thought, oh well, I'll get doing first and get a go. But here comes Ben, and he's here. He's a fly joker. Get the spot, get the first spot. Now, what have you been working, Mark? What kind of gear have you been working?
He's trying out it.
He's trying, eh? Oh, he's got this thingy. Okay. And yes. Often a beach caster we met today. I've actually got 2 roads, but one of them's a beach caster. And I'm going to fire it out with 2 hookies and a mackerel for bait. I'll probably just lost my gear because a lot of rocks and that here. But I put on small hooks, so maybe doing a catch of rocks so bad. And I put this wee weight in. I'm putting this weight on. It's been plastic coated. I got this for one of our passengers in the boat. And he gave me 2 or 3 of these things. And he uses them for the flatties, the flukes. So I'll give it a go. And I'll probably just lost my gear, but you've got to try. I don't know if we can see us on the camera, but there's a heap of mullet in here, and they're all good size. I'm hoping you can see it. Wow. I'm hoping the camera picks it up. They're beauties. Gee whiz. All right. Big mullet. No, that's inside the grid. Hey Mark, with the fog in the move. What's inside the grid? It's actually knee on, or just one side on. So we'll maybe put a bait down in here and see if we can get something. Right, it's Mark here, and he's got a single hook with a bit of mackerel, and he's going to want to have a go to see if he can catch in this mullet. It's underneath this grill because they're beauties. Recht up in among them, Mark. We've tried it with the mackerel and the mullet are nie going for the mackerel. It's a bit floating over here, look. We didn't get the mullet. They must have spooked them and they've been off. So they didn't like mackerel. The Latins didn't anyway. But what the last thing here go for the bass. Now there's no weight to it, so I'm not going to get a great cast. But I'm going to put it out into the flow and hopefully the flow will take it out for me. Fingers crossed I get a bass. Bonnie bass. But we scotch it on that thingy. Not a pala type lure. So I just cast it out and for the water's flowing out. Let it drift right out and then wind around. Right, we're going to put them back. Bonnie fishy. Come on in, Paul. Back you go. There you go, Paul. See 2 or 3 Pauls here meeting up with him. Turning on their sides, you see them shining here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. I think it's actually mullet that's in a boot. Right, come on Mark. Get that fog out of your mouth and get a bass in the end of the hook. With another bass I knew, just about the same kind of size, maybe about the size, and that's about that. It's the bonny fishy, and I hold him right to the shore, and Mark wasn't quick enough for the net, so it come off just as I came into the shore. But I would have released it anyway, because I'm not taking any fish here my day, and I've still got my bass in the freezer for the last day I was out. But it would have been fine to get it in and get out of it. But we'll keep trying, it's a beautiful day for it.
No. My first bass ever.
Is that your first bass ever?
Just a bit.
Ah, that's good, huh? Small, but it's still a bonny fish. Watch that spikes.
Yeah.
Yeah, away he goes.
Perfect.
Well done, Mark.
Made my day.
Aye. That's 3 bass we've been so far. I didn't have any success with my beach caster. I casted out, I bait it 2 hookies, small hooks, with mackerel, just to see if I can get anything further out. Because when I was on the beach, I caught my bass on the beach with a mackerel, a bit of mackerel. So I thought I would cast out, and, but it was just for the thought. It just caught in the steins and I lost the gear. So I've been working a while with the Rapala thing. And that's 3 bass we've been so far. So it's daytime now. So I want to eat my pier. Now I just fished up the high water. I'm just sure I think it's on a turn now. It's really bonny mullet. It's right, like a couple of feet face in the water, in the shallow water. Big mullet. We cannot catch him. But if there's only you out here good at catching mullet, this is the place to be. So if you let me can, the best way to catch a mullet, then I'll give it a go sometime. But we cannot catch him. Very day. That's us finished for the day. If you enjoy watching my videos, and then like them, and subscribe to my wee channel, Fishing Things. Thanks for watching, and take care of the. Catch you after.